Today, we're going to show you how to upgrade your Brightline fluorescent studio fixtures with the latest in LED technology. Any model of Brightline S1.2 or S1.4 fluorescent fixtures, regardless of age or control, can easily be upgraded. It doesn't matter if you have original phase dim, non-dim, or DMX model fixtures. The upgrade kit covers all the bases. This is the box you'll receive containing the kit, with the two main components in it: the fixture back and front cartridge plus diffusion. The mounting bracket and hardware, Phillips head screws, are included. You only need two simple tools for this retrofit: one Phillips head screwdriver and one wire cutter. While your units are likely mounted on your studio light grid, for the sake of demonstration we're showing it on a stand. There's no need to buy any accessories if you already have them, because they are completely reusable. To start the process, remove the DMX cord, then power off. Remove the power cord, screens, and your intensifier. Now let's dismantle the front of the fixture. Pull out the lamps. Remove the reflector by unscrewing the 4 screws. Pull out the reflector. Snip the wire harness with the wire cutters. Removing the sockets is optional, and it's not required, because the kit does fit in without removing them. Next, dismantle the light. Remove the back fixture housing, just using the 4 Phillips head screws, 2 on each side. Snip the remaining wire harness. Install the mounting plate using 4 of the provided screws. This mounting plate and screws are for the S1.4. However, the S1.2 requires the use of these clips, also included. Install the LED cartridge by fishing wires through the holes in the back. Fasten the LED cartridge using the 4 screws provided. When connecting the wiring, be sure to keep each pair of red and black wires together, red to red and black to black. The wires are push-in self-locking. You can do a slight tug to ensure they are secure. Set the front cartridge back into the fixture. Fasten using the screws provided. Slide diffusion into the front track with the shiny side down towards the LED. Be sure to pull off the protective film from the diffusion first. Finally, connect the DMX cable and power cable. Turn the fixture on. Set the DMX channel number. Run the console to check dimming. This retrofit has superior lighting quality, 97 CRI at 5600K. It has 50,000 hours of useful life. Onboard DMX dimming control is standard. You can continue using existing fixtures and accessories, such as the mounting yoke and hardware, power and DMX cable with pass-through connectors, light intensifier, and control screens.